This website gives you commissions when somebody purchases items from your list. There are plenty of tutorials on the internet, on YouTube, on TikTok. I would like to spare you some time and directly show you how to make a list, how to manage your lists, and show you that in this short YouTube video. First of all, this is the Discover page. From here, you can get inspiration, check what people are doing, check different people's profiles. I think the best is to focus on 1, 2, 3 topics and concentrate on them, like makeup, fashion, then traveling, smart travel hacks. Another thing that I see a lot of people are doing is recommending actually places and restaurants to visit in different cities. I think some lists are so well done. I hope people are earning a lot from them. But now let's make our own list. So what we need is to go to our profile. I will leave my code in the description, so you can use my link if you would like. This is my profile. I have different social media connected to it. I have written a little description about me, and those are my lists. So how to make a new list? From here, by clicking on the plus, you can create a new collection or a new list. So making a collection means that on your profile, you're going to get, let's say, separation between different lists you're doing. For example, we can separate 3 lists which are going to be makeup and 3 lists which are going to be travel hacks. And another 3 lists which will treat the topic of, I don't know, studying, for example, or home decoration. So right now, we are just going to make a list. So let's click here. How are we going to name our list? I would like to name it Skin Care and Makeup for Mature Skin. Okay, I'm not going to add a dot. So this is how we make a list. Then we go inside, and again, we see plenty of items. So let's go from the first. This is the description. This shows how many items we added to it, and here we are going to add some other things later. The welcome note, for example, and we're going to check that later. So here we can add a description. So what does it mean? From what I understand, this website functions a little bit like a blog. So when people write online different key points, keywords, our recommendation is going to be showing on the first, second page on Google. So what is important is to use the right words to attract people, right? So I would like to write a short description, what exactly I want to do with this list. So what I try to do on my profile is to solve different problems. So I know it's pretty hard to find items for different skin types, also different skin tones. For example, I have an olive skin, and one of the first list I made was makeup for olive skin. So it means that it's the skin is a little bit yellowish, so it's quite hard to find foundation, concealer, etc. So I recommended what I think it's the best, and actually I've got several purchases on the same week. So I think this list is going to be doing okay. So let's write a little description. Taking care of mature skin is all about enhancing your natural beauty with the right products. Whether you are, I'm writing with my Portuguese keyboard. You are looking for hydrating essentials, makeup that flatters, or no nourishing treatment. This carefully curated list has everything you need, from lightweight concealers to deeply moisturizing hand creams. These picks are designed to keep your skin feeling soft, radiant, and healthy. What else?
Ask yourself this. If AI replaced your role tomorrow, could you get another job in a week? If not, then listen. 2026 isn't going to be about working hard anymore. Companies are firing hard workers and only hiring AI-powered employees. And if you're still doing Excel manually, creating PowerPoints for hours, writing reports by hand, you're wasting 95% of your time. And if you want to change this and become the candidate companies are desperately hiring, you need to
Explore these must-haves. Of course, we can change it later. We can also shorten it a bit. It's all right. So here we have one icon which says add. So from here, if we click here, we can add directly our first item. But let's wait for that. Let's create different sections. So here we can add, we can separate different sections, and like that our list is going to look way more organized. So let's do that. We are going to make here a section 1, 2, 3. So first section is going to be skincare. Then we have eye makeup. Then we have face makeup. Yeah, it's a little bit repetitive, but that's all right. We can add another section, lips, lip products. And then we are going to add, okay, for now let's add other. So first we can write, so here we have the sections. This star shows how many items we have. And here we can add different description for each section. So we can write for skincare, rich and no rich face creams to maintain and youthful glow. I think that's a great description. Let's add here as well. Gentle, long wearing formulas that enhance the eyes without creasing or smudging. I know it's quite important to not have creases under the eyes, because with age the skin there changes a lot, so it's really important to not have a bad quality concealer or any product which is going to be heavy in the eye area. Coverage without settling into fine lines. Okay, so we're going to leave the lips for later. So what do we do now? we have the sections. Now we have to search for our items. Personally, my lists with Sephora items do the best. Not sure why, but they're the main ones. So they're the best ones. So I will directly go to Sephora. This link is saved on my notepad for a while. So I'm going to add this cream. It's quite expensive. Maybe I will add another cheaper option, but that's like a really good one. So we copy the link and we go here, add, and we get an automatic image. The website picks it up for us. So let's say capture cream. Take low. So we should choose which image is going to appear. I would like to have this lady over here. And now we can add a little description. So, sorry, I'm quite fast. So here I selected different photos, and then I can write what is going to be the name of the item. Here you can add an address, but I don't think it's that important. And here we can see that our affiliate link is on, which means that if somebody buys it, we're going to receive a commission. So we go to next, add note. So here we can add a little text, which is going to appear as a description to the item. So let's write firming face cream with rich formula. It visibly fills out wrinkles, so the skin looks younger in just 7 days. Of course, I didn't think of that. I just shortened a bit the description of the item itself. So we are going to add several items. Let's go back and search for one mist beauty elixir prep. I think it's this one.
If you're using AI in your workflow, then you might be facing these 3 major challenges. First, crafting.
So I'm going to copy the link, and I am going to again click on the plus, paste the link, and now we're going to manage a little bit the photos, what should appear first. So I'm going to do like that, face mist, or natural glow. And I want this image to appear first. And here, a really important thing, I can shrink or make the image bigger. So I would like to shrink it so it shows the full image of the product. And I would like to have this picture as the second picture. Okay, now let's add a note. Use this mist before applying your makeup. This natural face mist will prep your skin and tighten brighten your pores. It will set your makeup for dewy, glowing skin. Okay, another product added. So let's go to the next